What is HRS? HRS stands for Harness Release System, which is a built-in mechanical release system designed to detach your harness from the safety line in an emergency. On the front of your life jacket there is a soft loop with HRS written on it. This is the primary tether point for your safety lines. Hidden behind this is a lever release system. Pulling on this lever opens the loop, detaching your life jacket from the safety line and in turn the boat. Ideally, a life jacket that uses the HRS system is to be used by a single person who is familiar with the jacket and is confident on how to use it.
Wow, that's good.
It's simple and won't activate by accident. This is because it is regulated to ISO standards, the same as any other harness point on any other life jacket. If you ever need to release it, pull the blue tab hidden under the front flap. It's tucked away enough not to snag, but easy enough to grab if needed. This is what our customer Jonathan had to say about the harness release system.
Spinlock 6D came with the option of a, they call it HRS, which is a harness release system. Which, to be honest, I had no idea what that was, but it was explained to me, and in the unlikely event of you A, falling overboard, and B, being dragged along the side of the boat, traditionally you would have you can buy a small, it's a tether cutting knife specifically for cutting tethers, because probably the biggest risk of falling overboard and still being tethered, you'll potentially drown as you're being dragged along, which isn't great. But they've got, Spinlock have got this system where there's a little blue toggle, and if you are being dragged along the side of the boat, rather than fumbling around trying to find a little knife and doing something with it, all you have to do is find the little toggle that just sits here, pull it, and it will release the little fitting in the back, and then it releases the webbing, and you will be free.